This is a good one. You're looking at an x squared and a y squared on the same side of the equation with the same sign, same coefficients. Because it's a positive and a positive, it cannot be a hyperbola. So regardless of center and vertices, this is an easier thing than having to deal with that. You've got two options with center. You've got two centers in the same place, and the question is, what about the radius? Another hyperbola. It can't be those. We know it's a circle. We've got x squared and y squared. We do have to complete the square, and that is something that we can do. Okay, so let's arrange these things in the proper order. X squared plus 4x, leave a space. Y squared plus 2y, leave a space, equals, well, it was equal to 0 until we moved this little 1 guy over to the other side. Now it's a minus 1. I will suggest something here, that you know that you're going to change that to a ultimate, well, forget that. We're going to complete the square here. Divide by 2 and square, that's a 4. I'm going to add 4 to both sides. Okay. Complete the square and both sides. Divide that by 2 is 1. Squared is still 1. I'm going to add that 1 there. These are going to cancel. So my equation then becomes x plus 2 quantity squared. I was trying to spit out that. Divide that by 2 and you'll get your x value of your center. Plus y plus 1 quantity squared, and it's equal to 4. So, you know, is the radius 4 or is the radius 2? Well, you look at that and you think, oh, it's 4. Well, hey, yeah, as long as you don't remember that this right here is r squared. The center is definitely at -2, -1. The radius is equal to 2 squared, which is 4, so the radius is, in fact, 2. The answer is B. And the last thing we've got here is the x-intercepts of the graph. We need to factor it. The diamond in the box is always a handy little option, 4x squared, -3. Multiply it up here, you've got a -12x squared and a -1x down here. That gives me a -4x and a +3x. I'm doing Algebra 1 right now these days in 6 periods, so we just did some of this stuff, so I'm caught in a rut here. You use in the box, you just take out a 4x, take out a 3, take out an x here, and then take out a -1. That's about all you got. You've got an x minus 1, you got a 4x plus 3. You set all that equal to 0 to find the roots. You get x equals 1, and you get x equals -3 over 4. -3/4, +1. There's your B.